What's up, everybody? So I know I'm kind of putting out videos in rapid succession today, but I haven't put a video out in about a week or so. The holidays have just been absolutely crazy, and we've been kind of tied up, and with the snow here and everything else. But anyway, this is going to be just a quick, short talking video. I know you guys don't like a lot of that, but I want to get it out there. It's going to be kind of about what the goals are for us in this channel for 2018. Now, the end of 2017 was a massive year for the channel for Morpheus Performance. We gained, well over 1,000 subs in probably 2 months. We've gained thousands upon tens of thousands of views. We have one video on the channel. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. It's the pie for dinner video. That video is almost at 20,000 views right now. That one was huge, and we're actually going to be doing another pie video probably in the next couple of days. So for all you guys that watch that, thank you so much. It's so awesome to see that many views on a video and that many people enjoying what it was that I was doing with that. So we're going to have a lot more of that. So 2018, the goal for the channel is to get out more regular videos. And a lot of things too, I went over the analytics of my channel and basically found that 90% of my viewers are in the 24 to 35-year-old range, which is perfect. So I think what we're going to do this year is we're going to do a lot of budget stuff, and we're also going to do a lot of high-end stuff. So what you're going to see on the channel this year is, like the video that I posted today as well, we're taking a Jeep Grand Cherokee, a 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee that would otherwise be junked, and for under $1,000, we're going to fix that vehicle. We're going to put it back together. We're going to get it on the road. We're going to drive it around, and then you know what? We may even give it away at the end of winter. We may do a giveaway on that particular vehicle just so that, you know, we can kind of show our appreciation for our fans and our subscribers and everything else. So that's definitely going to be something that's in the works. And then, you know, taking a cue from one of my favorite channels, B is for Build, he does a lot of very cool stuff where he's picking up budget vehicles from auction, rebuilding them, utilizing them for daily drivers, for his own personal use, for giveaways, for, you know, channel content, everything. I think that's a great idea, and I think that's something that I want to do, except a little bit more on the budget side. B is for Build, he's doing, you know, Lotuses and BMW M5s, and he just got done doing an Aston Martin, and we're not at that level by any means. But I think that's something that I want to do, is I want to be able to show you guys out there that may be struggling a little bit and may have, you know, not a ton of money to get into the car scene, that with just very little money and some basic knowledge, you can do a lot more than you think you can do. And that's where I want to go with this channel this year. I want to show you guys both ends of the spectrum. I want to show you guys that if your pockets are empty, there's still stuff you can do, and do it right. None of this, you know, half-ass hacked crap that you see a lot on YouTube of people just hacking stuff because it's budget. No, you don't need to do that. You can actually do things right on a budget. So we're going to do that. And then also too, you know, we're going to be getting into a lot of higher-end stainless steel stuff, a lot of higher-end titanium stuff. A lot of welding videos are going to come out this year, and we're going to do that. But on average, I want to try to make you guys at least 3 to 4 videos a week so that you can see what we're doing. And obviously, the video schedule is not going to be dead on because I don't have a project in here every single day. I do have normal everyday work like oil changes and brake jobs and shit like that, and I'm sure you guys don't want to see that on the regular because it gets boring after a while. But we're going to have some really cool stuff. The first one being the, you know, the Grand Cherokee that I was talking about. We're going to get that one together first. We've got a project coming in this weekend that's going to be super cool. It's a collaboration with Jimmy Oakes, and, you know, we've done some stuff with him in the past, and it's been absolutely amazing, so we're going to continue to do things with him and see where that comes out. But we're going to do more and more like that throughout the year. You know, this winter is going to be preparing to get those things done. It's going to be preparing to get everything set up and lined up so that we can provide you guys with the content that you know, I think all of you want to see. Excuse me, I was just outside. It is super cold out there. My nose is running. My face is all... the air hurts my face, which is normal Connecticut stuff. So, but yeah, so we're going to do that. And we may even go into, you know, budget motorcycles once spring hits and doing things like that. And there's another YouTuber that I watch a lot that he's doing something called Wrecked Bike Rebuild, which is amazing. His wrecked bike rebuild series is very cool. He buys a wrecked motorcycle at auction, he rebuilds it, he gives it away at the end of the series. Excellent. If we could do that, that would be cool too. But I'm thinking that, you know, that's where we're going to need to go with the channel. That's where I want to go with the channel, and I want to bring you guys informative content. I'm never the type of guy that's going to give you something that is useless. I'm not an entertainer. I'm not, you know, going to do things just for ratings or for views or for subscribers. I'm going to do things that I feel are useful, that you guys can use in your daily lives when it comes to your automobiles and your motorcycles and, you know, your power equipment and everything else. I know you guys saw the snowblower video that I did in fixing that. We have a generator that we're going to be fixing in a couple of days. But I want to give you guys a little bit of everything. I just don't want to stick to one thing. So that's the goals for the channel for 2018. 3 to 4 videos a week, some really cool projects, some giveaways this summer. We're going to be putting together a bunch of different stuff. We got finalization on our new shop. We should have our new shop completely set up, 100% ready to go, no later than June, hopefully. So about 6 months away. I know that's a long time, and it kind of sucks for me, but at the same point, it's going to be worth the wait. We're going to have exactly what we've needed for all these years. It's not going to be too big. It won't be too small. We'll have the machining equipment up. I'll be able to make videos of, you know, actually fabricating on real big boy machines, you know, Bridgeports and lathes and everything else. So we'll be able to take it a little bit further when it comes to that stuff. We're also going to have, you know, the unit that we're in now, the space that we're in now is going to be getting built out. So you're going to see some videos from that. So all in all, 2018 is going to be a super exciting year. So stick around, guys. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for the kind comments. I can't tell you how much that means to me, guys, when I see the kind comments that you guys are giving to me on a daily basis. It's so awesome. It just makes me feel so good that, you know, all the time I'm putting into these videos is actually getting appreciated, and there's nothing better than that feeling. So I'm going to keep making them. So I know I put out 2 videos today. Watch these 2 videos, like them, comment on them, subscribe to me if you can. Super appreciated. And yeah, stay tuned for more. We'll see you later. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. Well, that was kind of weird. Bye-bye. Seriously? Have a good day. Have a good afternoon. I'll see you tomorrow. Anything's better than bye-bye. All right, guys. Have a good one.